You are about to witness the most snow I've ever seen in my life. Okay. First of all, door doesn't even shut all the way. Random jacket in the middle of the courtyard. Just embarrassingly, well, it doesn't seem that high, but they're at least 2-3 feet high. This is what you have to trudge through. Just for comparison, it's like knee-high drifts, and that's not even the most highest drift. So I think this was plowed, but take a look at this monster. This goes as high as the window, almost to the second floor. My God. And these people are not getting their mopeds out. Okay, so we'll go around to the side here. The sidewalks are pretty much like randomly walking, not plowed at all. Streets are just as bad. I mean, it's about 1 in the morning. This isn't getting taken care of anytime soon. Well, almost fell. Steps up to people's apartments. And yeah, where are the steps? I don't see any steps. Maybe right there. I wouldn't want to have to shovel that, and I'm going to have to shovel in the morning, actually, so I don't know what I'm bragging about. But I want to try and get to Regent Street. Oh, fuck. I'm falling everywhere. This is our parking lot. As you can see, no cars. It's not going to show much great quality. Can't get in the garage, really. Steps up to the apartments are impassable. You're just like walking up the snowy slopes.
Let's run!
I like you!
Thanks!
Nailed it!
We are in Madison, by the way. Yeah, this Jeep probably is not getting out for a while. Okay, run to Randall. Regent. For this video. Okay. Toppers tried to clear out their entrance. But the sidewalks are... Oh my God. Let's watch this in action. Okay. It's more clear to walk down the street than the frickin' sidewalks. And, you know, I was just at my friend's house. I walked home by going down the street. Virtually no cars out. Random guy waves. It's just treacherous to try and get anywhere right now. All the schools are canceled, and we're expected at least 6 inches more, I think. So I'm probably going to film another thing in the morning. So that's my 1 a.m. video call. I'll probably take the camera with me when I go to shovel tomorrow morning. Au revoir! Delivery would suck tonight.